Hi. Good morning. Welcome back to a new vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. It is a very overcast day and drizzly, but while the sun is kind of trying to peek through, Mason and I are going to head out for a walk, hence why I'm in activewear. I'm just finishing off my coffee. We have really settled into our new routine of having chill morning and then going out for a walk. We live in an area where there's a lot of bushlands, so you can walk through them and they're kind of all connected through the suburb. And yeah, there's this part of our bushwalk where there's little bridges and streams, and he just loves splashing in the streams. We put gumboots on, we have so much fun. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to go for a walk, but today's vlog we are going to spend a lot of time at home because I haven't had, this week has gone by so quickly, so I actually need to do some baking. I need to put a sourdough in the oven. So yeah, I can't believe it's already July. Where has the year gone? And Mason's birthday is coming up in August. Chris's birthday is coming up in August. So it's open? Oh, you can open it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get Mason dressed. Let's head out for a drizzly day. Not bad though. I like it when it's drizzly. It's nice and quiet. No, it's too busy here. Say hi. Yeah. You can splash. We are back from our walk. Did you have a good walk, Mason? We baked some cookies.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll get the mixer out.
Yeah.
Good butter. Oh, do you want to put the sugar in for me? Pick it up this way, like that. You can use both hands if you need. And then you pop it in. Good job. This? Eggy. I'm gonna do it in here. Put that here. One. You want me to do that tray? Let me do this tray first. And then we'll do that tray, okay? Oops. Don't touch. Mommy's going to her room. When I come back, I'll give you a cookie, okay? Bye. You be patient. I'm going to my room. Did you touch the cookies? You didn't? Okay. Do you want a cookie? You want a cookie? Which one do you want? You can pick which one you want. Do you want to pick your cookie? You want that one? Okay. Mason, have that cookie. You say thank you, Mama? You say thank you?
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your...
I've just started on the bread rolls, so I've let them rest for a while. They've gone a bit more fluffy. I had pizza sauce left over, so I popped that on top, and then I'm going to top it with some cheese and bacon. And I've never done this before. I look crazy because I've been outside in the wind. So I'm just going to top it with cheese and bacon and hope for the best. Mason climbs everything. Look. You finished your sourdough? He was sitting on the chair. He's now on the table. So let me get him off. Should I put the cheese on first? No, put the cheese on last. I have a sourdough in the oven and I've got about 4 minutes to go for that. And then I've got the cheese bacon pizza rolls here ready to go in the oven. This should only take about 12 minutes, I reckon. I've also got chana soak in a bowl of water. I'm going to do like a chana masala. Chana is, what's the English word for chana? The thing you make hummus with. What's it called? What's it called? I'm sure you guys are yelling it at me. What's it called? Chickpeas. I've got chickpeas soaking in a bowl of water. It's been soaking for a while, so I'm going to start that. When you speak two languages and you call something another name, sometimes my mind goes blank and I can't think of the English name. So anyway, chana is chickpeas in Hindi. Now you know something. So I'm going to get that started while he's sleeping, and I've got some chicken. The boys want a curry. They also asked if I could make like aloo paratha type roti, basically like roti stuffed with the potato filling. So depending how much time I have, I may or may not do that, but I've got to get that all started. So I like to do all of that when Mason is sleeping. So let's do that. Mason is now asleep and the bread rolls are done. They look really good and I've already had 2. They taste delicious and I don't even like bacon. But this, I think the pizza sauce just makes it extra yum. So now that this is done, sourdough is also done and the cookies are done, I can now focus on dinner. So I am going to start by, I need to peel some potatoes, get that on, get the chana on, and yeah, continue. But let's put this all away.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number 1. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going,
Yes.
brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now. Hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given.
1 paratha stuffed. Ready? Hot enough?
Now he's put the smile on for the camera.
You never look. Okay. It's hot. To be careful. Don't touch
Well,
it.
this one's empty, Mason. Okay. And this one?
The other one's very hot. The steam's gonna come already. Whoa.
Baba.
Butter.
Butter.
What you think?
Mason's just woken up from his nap. He was a little bit grumpy before.
Are you grumpy?
Grumpy?
Okay. needs both my hands now, okay? I need some of the ghee. Or can I do it one-handed? Probably not. Probably not. Okay, we're gonna flip it. Ready? Oh, one-handed. One-handed, baby. I need to put you down, honey. Oh. Chicken is cooking. Show you the channel. Looking really good. Gotta do all of this cleaning now. Rice is cooking, and then coriander here, and I've got the paratha ready. So dinner is pretty much almost done. I'm just gonna clean this all up, and then we're gonna sit down for dinner. Dinner is cooking, laundry's on the line. Let's go sort the chickens out. Good old chickens. I'm coming. I got your food. Like a water, food, happy girls. Close you in for the night. See if you've got any eggs. Nope, no eggs. Whoa, do you see all of these peas coming through? So many. The more you pick them, the more you'll get. But Rose, my little white chicken, did manage to get in here. Try and see what she damaged. Chris has literally barricaded the whole thing. Oh, spiderweb. Someone with a fancy plane. So anyway, somehow she's managed to get in. I can't even get in, so I don't know how this chicken managed to get in. More peas. Oh, I think this is my best peas I've grown so far. Basil. Got my curry tree over there. Tomato smells so good. Got one tomato, I think. Coming through. Where is it? Here. This is a beefsteak tomato plant. So lush.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word.